Let's suppose that you were able every night to dream any dream you wanted to dream, and that you could, for example, have the power within one night to dream 75 years of time. And you would naturally, as you began on this adventure of dreams, you would fulfill all your wishes. You would have every kind of pleasure you could see. And after several nights of 75 years of total pleasure each, you would say, well, that was pretty great.
Take me back where I was, your only friend. Where I was, patiently waiting on your response. You're perfectly out of place, safe. I can't love myself. And how the hell can I try to love you? Did you forget how it first felt? How did you feel nothing when I held on to you? Think tonight and think this through. You were the only one that I cared
Let's have a dream which isn't under control, where something is going to happen to me that I don't know what it's going to be. And then you would get more and more adventurous, and you would make further and further out gambles as to what you would dream. And finally, you would dream where you are now.
You're perfectly out of place.